Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to sell your product on Fouthwall. So in this video, I'm going to give you a step-to-step guide on how to sell your product on Fouthwall. So the first step is to create an account. So for you to create an account on Fouthwall, you have to visit the Fouthwall website by clicking on the button and fill in your details to create an account, then verify your email address to activate your account. Now on the second step, you have to set up your store. So to set up your store, you have to log in to your Fouthwall account, then click on create an account and choose a name for your store. After that, you have to customize your store appearance by selecting a theme and adding your logo and banner. Then on the third step, you have to add a product. To add a product, you have to go to the product section and click on add product. Choose the type of product you want to sell. For example, you can simply sell a physical product, or you sell digital product. After that, you have to upload the high quality image of your product and provide detailed description of the product. And after that, set the price and inventory for the product. Now after that, then you have to go to the first step, which is to customize your storefront. Now navigate to the storefront section, then customize the layout and design of your store using the drag and drop editor. And after that, add categories, collection and features products to make it easy for customers to browse. Then on the fifth step, which is to set up payment and shipping, go to the settings section and click on payment. Connect your preferred payment gateway. For example, you can use PayPal, Stripe, or Cash App to accept payment. Now set up your shipping option and rate based on your location and target market. Now the sixth step is to promote your store. Share your link on social media platform. For example, you can use newsletter or other marketing channel just to promote your store, and consider running ads on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Google to reach out to wider audience. So that's it. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.